Hey guys, Layla Black here, and I wanted to cut this video so that you understood the value of the social media boot camp and workshop that's coming up offered through Ontario Works. So I have been an online digital marketer for the last 10 years, been helping multiple different businesses to create a brand, create a story, create an income stream online. As well as individuals. So people that have never had experience making money on the internet, showing them how to position their passions, how to tap into their gifts, how to tell their story, how to find their unique value and position it in a way that profits online, that can create income streams for you and your family. Okay, so I wanted to make sure that everyone understood the amazing value that's going to be shared. I'm going to be going through the exact process for you guys to set up your online business, to launch it, to create a profitable business that people actually want, right? And to do it all from your laptop or your smartphone, right? And work from home. So don't miss this workshop. Make sure you get registered. August 20th and 21st is when we will be hanging out for 2 days, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to meet you and to help you on your journey to becoming a digital entrepreneur.